In this video, we unbox our embroidery machine, the Ricoma 1501TC, and we'll show you what is all involved in putting one together. Coming up. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Matt. I have a small screen printing shop and we were getting behind on our embroidery, so we decided to pull the trigger on a Ricoma embroidery machine. The 1501TC to be exact. And one of the reasons we got it is because they have 0% financing right now, and the folks at Ricoma were kind enough to send us a promo link, so that way if you guys decide you like what you see here, you can use our link in the description and save yourself some money off your machine, and it will help us as small business owners by kicking a commission back our way to help pay off our machine. Alright, without further ado, let's dive into it. There's just enough of that on in there. Well, we're going to go ahead and snip this and see what we need to take out of here to bring it in. Oh, there it is. I have no idea what I'm looking at aside from hoops, but yeah, that'll be easy. Is this just like a tray?
Yeah, looks like it.
Okay. Then there's the embroidery machine itself. And these are part of the stand. I guess we'll figure it out, but here's the head of the machine. Then I take it, this is the stand over here. What does it say, Mario? Makes me feel welcome to the family. Thread and supplies. We'll go through all this stuff here in a moment, but we need to get this guy out and move it into the shop. So there we are. We got the top of the box off. What? Is the cap on it already? What do you think about that, Paulo? So we gotta lift this thing up and haul it into the shop. Well, I guess we're gonna do it to it and bring this thing in. So what do you think, Shannon? Is it as big as you thought it would be?
No.
Not too big, huh? So that will be perfect, I think, right over here. Right where you're standing. And then I'll put us close to that table, so that way we can get after doing some embroidery. You want that hat? Yeah, you can have it.
Yay!
I think it's pretty cool. Very nice. We'll get some better shots of the machine once we get everything all set up. It did come with a couple boxes here. We'll go through those here in a second. Looks like we got a little toolbox. What? We got a toolbox too? Alright. Nice.
What's in there? Is there anything in it?
Well, let's go ahead and open it now. Let's find out. Guess these are extra needles. I'm not sure what I'm looking at here just yet. Looks like we got some springs. I guess some maintenance items. Tools. I don't know if this is alcohol or oil.
Smell it.
I guess we'll find out. Maybe it's a sewing machine oil, I guess.
Small container.
Dang, we don't even need to get any tools for it, so that's pretty cool. Screwdrivers too? Jeez. Got screwdrivers and wrenches. So, well, I'm sure once we review some of the videos, start putting this thing together, I'm sure it'll tell us what all this stuff is. And we got another box to open up over here. That out in a second. And we got the next package over here.
Sorrow.
And what are we looking at here? Looks like a extra cap boot. And we got some wheels for the stand. We can push it out the way. Got the hardware for the stand, I imagine. That's what this is. So here's what's in the other box here. Get this out of the way. the little plate for the stand, I imagine. Got a table here. Cords to hook things up. Got some more hoops, a bunch of hoops. I take it we probably won't need to get any more hoops. And let's see what's in this. Is this going to be a starter kit?
That's right.
Let's see what colors are in there. Nice. We already got a little bit of a starter kit with some of the backing material. I don't even know what it's called. I'm going to have to learn all my lingo, and we'll bring you guys along for the ride. What else do we got here? Some spools? Alright, yeah. I see at least one spool. Got this one here. Frosted Matte M-A-T-T. Nice! So we got a little bit of a... Here you go, Shannon. Here's our starter spool kit.
Shiny.
A lot of the colors that we need. Oh, we got some more.
Hey, this one matches my hair.
Along with some bobbins. Very cool. And we've got some more needles, it looks like, and then some trimming tools. Cool. Let's assemble it. The best part about this whole deal, the bubble wrap. Now that we got everything unpacked, we're going to start watching some pre-training videos. One, it tells you how to put the thing together. We were kind of guessing, but with a machine like this, I don't want to just guess. So we're gonna hang out, watch all 10 of these lessons, and hopefully by the end of this thing, maybe we'll have it put together. I know we'll have it put together, but we might be able to just go ahead and start running off some tests.
As part of our family, you're not in this alone. From here on out, we will do everything in our power to guide you along your journey.
Make sure to carefully follow along with this video to make sure that your machine is correctly threaded.
All right, we got our pre-training video on how to put this thing together, all complete, so we're gonna put this together now. Do a little bit of a time lapse. Okay, so we need the screwdrivers. I think we need this little toolkit here. Need that, the wheels and the stand, these plates, and then that one table, and then we'll put the stand together and get the machine up on the stand. Nailed it! Alright, we got that all assembled. Now we just need to scoot it in place a little bit. Actually, I guess we'll toss the head on there. Let's do that.
Your head.
Whose head?
But this is actually very beneficial for the rest of my working
What?
days.
I think we gotta do a like.
Okay. Cool.
I think we need to loosen these up and then put those in, then tighten those up. You need a man to tighten that for you?
Bring one. So that.
What do you think, Mario? Right there?
Perfecto.
Alright, let's tie her down. Tighten her down. Alright, we've got the stand assembled. It's in place. Now we need to watch some more videos so we can continue making progress with the Ricoma. Alright, we just finished watching the next video. The next thing we have to do is attach our thread to the machine. We're gonna run it through because it is pre-threaded. This is a learning experience for us. We're gonna take a minute to run a couple of these things through, but essentially the gist of it is we need to loosen these strings up, loosen these down here, get them separated, and then we're just going to mate these strings over here with our, are they spools? Yeah, spools of thread, and it's a learning experience for us, so give us a minute. Got a whole booklet down here of different threads, thread colors. That kind of blows my mind a little bit. Because normally with screen printing stuff, it's just like, we'll take yellow, red, blue. So the gist of it is they have it pre-threaded all the way through the machine. We're tying up spool number 1 to the corresponding needle head. I'm not even sure what to call it at this point. And then once that's knotted together, we're just gonna pull it through down on this side here. I still need to unravel this. It's like brushing Rapunzel's hair. Alright, so Mario's feeding through the white through number 1 here. There you go. Oh, there it goes. There goes the knot. There it is. Yeah, it goes through this little,
No, it's fine. We got
these
it.
little hole thingies. Goes through that whole thing and then through that tube thingy. We'll get more in depth with this. We're figuring it out, and rather than me calling it thingies, I'll know the proper terms. I think once we got the hang of it, it wasn't too bad to just pull them through. Again, we'll have some future videos of exactly how to use this because this is all new. On to the next step though. Alright, did you thread that through correct? We can watch it again, but oh man. I've got some of the shakiest hands ever.
There's
so
no way
this
you
is,
cannot stick it to the back.
yeah, that's what they said. It's through the back. I'm telling you.
Let's go watch that again.
Alright, let's go watch it again. Okay, so you were right, Mario.
Thank you.
That will definitely make it a lot easier. So we're going to take our time to hoop these through, and then, I don't know, after that, we're pretty close. Yeah, there were some, no, beef jerky didn't come with it.
It's right here.
Where?
Just red ones.
Oh. Nice. Oh, okay. We've watched the videos, and I'm kind of eager to go ahead and turn this on because the training does say to turn it on, so we're gonna turn it on. Ooh! I think we're ready. Mario, are we ready to embroider a cap?
I'm not. I'm on the phone.
I'm ready. All right. Well, putting together the machine was a lot of fun. It was a new learning experience. Again, we have a promo code down in our link so that way you can get a discount on a Ricoma machine, and it will kick a commission our way. So that way it'll help us pay off this machine, and also it helps support the channel so that way we can bring you more content. In the next video, we have training set to come this Friday, so we're going to record that and vlog our experience with the training, and we'll see how fast we can get this thing up and going and getting into embroidery. Finally bring it into our shop. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, see you later.